Hi, now we are going to make a drive shaft alignment on a 159Q4 using these tools. So let's start. So the laser is there and I am going to cast the laser on all of these strings on this side, and as you can see now, those lines over there, they are hitting the laser, but on this bearing the laser slightly misses it from the left, so I will move this bearing to the left now. Okay, I moved this bearing to the left 2 millimeters, and as now we can see, the laser is hitting the first, the second, the third, fourth, fifth and sixth strings. So the horizontal alignment is now good. And let's check the vertical next. Okay, we have our small angle meter on the middle section of the drive shaft on a clean surface, and we have zeroed it on here. So let's move it to this last piece. Let's find a clean place here. It is something like 1.25 degrees on this part which is clean of rust. So let's move it to the front section. And we are really close with this kind of setup. I have put one really thick washer under this first bearing and 2 washers under there. And like this, our lines are touching here. So we are now aligned the drive shaft. Oh, and I also made this bracket here. It was missing on this one, and it is a really important safety feature which unfortunately not nearly all car manufacturers put on their cars, but anyway, if you know what it is, leave a comment. And yeah, thank you very much for watching.